Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are absolutely fine, inshallah. Today we are going to start the topic excretion. Excretion is the removal or elimination of nitrogenous waste from body. It is a process of homeostasis. This is the proper definition of excretion, which you have already studied before. We will study some of the important MCQs on this page. The elimination of wasteful metabolites, mainly of nitrogenous nature, is called excretion. The definition of excretion may be asked in different perspectives. Another MCQ includes plant cells have large vacuoles. These can be used for either storage of useful compounds or the storage of वेस्ट सब्सटेंसेस. तो प्लांट्स के अंदर लार्ज वैक्यूल होता है और एनिमल्स के अंदर छोटे वैक्यूल्स होते हैं, और लार्ज वैक्यूल की वजह से प्लांट्स यूजफुल सब्सटेंसेस को स्टोर भी करते हैं और वेस्ट सब्सटेंसेस को भी स्टोर कर सकते हैं, जिसके बाद उनको एलिमिनेट किया जाता है. अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट MCQ एंड शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन इज डिफाइन excretophore, or the definition of excretophore may be asked in the form of MCQ2. The falling of yellow leaves in autumn is the seasonal time for the plants to get rid of the accumulated waste, and because of the reason leaves are said to be excretophore. Excretophore leaves होते हैं जो कि प्लांट्स के अंदर सिर्फ इसलिए प्रेजेंट होते हैं कि ऑटम के सीज़न में जितने भी एक्स्ट्रा वेस्ट हैं वो इन लीव्स के अंदर जमा हो जाते हैं और ये येलो हो जाते हैं, और फिर फॉलिंग ऑफ हो जाती है इन लीव्स की. इनको हम कहते हैं excretophore. If we talk about the MCQs, some trees deposit strange chemicals in their branches and trunks, especially in old xylem. Ebony produces very black wood in the center. So students, next is the definition of deamination. What is deamination? In the process of catabolism of amino acids, the amino group NH2 is released. This is called deamination. Mostly excess nitrogen is excreted by animals as ammonia, urea or uric acid. This is an important MCQ. Other MCQs include lower quantities of nitrogen are excreted in the form of compounds such as creatinine, creatine or trimethylamine oxide, in very small quantities as amino acids, purines and pyrimidines. And lastly, there is the metabolism of purine and pyrimidine bases, and they produce hypoxanthine, xanthine, uric acid, allantoin, urea and ammonia. So students, this may be asked in the form of MCQ as well. That is, which nitrogenous waste is produced after the metabolism of purines and pyrimidine. So these are the major nitrogenous wastes. Students, the chemical formulas of ammonia, urea and uric acid may be asked in the form of short questions. The next topic is nature of excretory products, that is relation to habitats. First of all, this is the urea cycle, and it is very important short question. Draw the urea cycle, then you have to draw this diagram. Moving towards the MCQs. Ammonia is very toxic and dissolves quickly in body fluids. This is the first MCQ on this page. About 500 ml water is needed to excrete 1 gram of ammonia nitrogen. It is also very important MCQ. Important MCQs on this page include, in restricted supply of water, the alternative of ammonia is less toxic substance, that is urea. Urea requires 50 ml of water for its 1 gram of nitrogen removal. In acute shortage of water supply, the excretory product is uric acid. A very important MCQ includes only 1 ml of water is required to eliminate 1 gram of nitrogen in the form of uric acid. Animals excreting ammonia are called ammonotelic. Likewise, excreting urea and uric acid are called ureotelic and uricotelic respectively. And the next topic is excretion in representative animals, like excretion in hydra. This may be asked in the form of short question. Write a note on excretion in hydra. So the answer is there. So there are no specialized excretory structures in hydra for excretion. Next is the excretion in planaria. There are specialized structures. What is protonephridia? प्लेनेरिया के अंदर ट्यूबुलर एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम होता है जो बिल्कुल ट्यूब लाइक होता है. इसे हम कहते हैं प्रोटोनेफ्रीडियम. और ये एक क्लोज ट्यूब्यूलर स्ट्रक्चर होता है और इसके अंदर बहुत सी ओपनिंग होती हैं. क्योंकि बहुत सी ओपनिंग होती हैं इसकी वजह से ये पूरी बॉडी में फैला होता है और इसके ब्रांचेस पूरी बॉडी में होती हैं. और ये पूरा सेलुलर सेटअप जो है इसे हम कहते हैं फ्लेम सेल. So it is the definition of protonephridium, and next is the definition of flame cells. Tubular system of planaria is spread throughout the body and branches are capped by cellular setup termed as flame cells. तो flame cell क्या होता है कि प्रोटोनेफ्रीडियम जो कि एक ट्यूबुलर सिस्टम है, इसके ब्रांचेज जो हैं उनके बाहर सेलुलर सेटअप होता है, उसे हम कहते हैं फ्लेम सेल. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो इंक्लूडिंग इन द definition of flame cell. So next is the excretion in earthworm. First of all, there is definition of metanephridium starting from here and it ends over here. तो मेटानेफ्रीडिया एक ऐसा सिस्टम है जो कि हर पेयर अर्थवर्म के हर सेगमेंट के अंदर मेटानेफ्रीडिया का एक पेयर होता है और इसके अंदर इंटरनल ओपनिंग होती है जिसे हम कहते हैं नेफ्रोस्टोम. और नेफ्रोस्टोम जो है ये सिलोमिक फ्लूइड जो उनकी बॉडी का फ्लूइड होता है उसके अंदर इमर्स्ड हुआ होता है और इसकी वजह से जितना भी सिलोमिक फ्लूइड है वो कलेक्ट हो जाता है सो डैट इट मे बी एक्सक्रीटेड आउट ऑफ बॉडी. तो मेटानेफ्रीडियम जो है ये एक एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम है अर्थवर्म का. This may be asked in the form of MCQ. Alright student, these were our today's topics. Okay, thank you very much.